Namaste everyone, I'm Samarthya from Bodsphere. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn a very beautiful pranayama known as Bhastrika. Now in English, it is known as the breath of fire or the Bellows breath. Now every pranayama has got certain benefits and the contraindications. So more than the benefits, we feel that it is better to focus on the contraindications so that we are able to practice yoga, meditation, pranayama in a very safe and in a very effective manner. So when we talk about the contraindications, so people suffering from heart diseases, fever, stomach, ulcer, high BP, or women who are in their pregnancy, we must avoid doing Bhastrika pranayama. But at the same time, there are immense benefits also. So Bhastrika pranayama is one pranayama that will help you build up the heat inside your body. At the same time, it is considered as one of the best pranayams to detoxify your body. And apart from this particular pranayama will help you balance your three doshas, which are Vata, Pitta, Kapha. And since there is normal inhalation and forceful exhalation, then in that case, diaphragm also gets strengthened. So diaphragm is the primary muscle in your respiratory system. So there are immense benefits. At the same time, we must take care of the contraindications also before practicing Bhastrika pranayama. It is ideally done before your meditation or before your yoga practice, so that your breath becomes more subtle, more gentle, more smooth. So that is one of the best effects of Bhastrika. Now in this case, we have to remember that we can ideally do it for 20 into 3 sets. So 20 repetitions into 3 sets. So in today's tutorial, we are going to do 2 sets of 20-20, but you can definitely do it for 3 sets also. But remember that we have to do it on an empty stomach, and morning is the best time to practice Bhastrika. So let's all get started with the demonstration now. So Bhastrika pranayama can either be done in the Sukhasana or it can be done in Vajrasana also. So let's all come in Vajrasana. Also, you have to remember that if you think you need any kind of wall support while you are sitting in Sukhasana, please feel free to take that too, not a problem. But if you think that you are more comfortable in sitting in Vajrasana, that is completely okay too. So let's all get started now by sitting in Vajrasana. Your hips are well rested on your heels, and we have to keep loose fists in front of the shoulders. Now we have to remember that our elbows remain tucked in. So the elbows should not flare out, and plus they should not be too in that you are trying to join the elbows to each other. So they are simply close to the sides of our body. So we have to remember that whenever our arms go up, our elbows will remain straight and our fist will open up. And whenever your arms come down, the fist will come back to their original position. And at the same time, whenever your arms are going up, you have to inhale. And as the arms come down, you have to breathe out. Another point which is extremely important is that whenever you are inhaling, it should be a normal breath. It should not be a forceful breath, but it should be a forceful exhalation. So the exhalation is a little stronger than the inhalation. That point we all have to remember. So we have to inhale normally and exhale a little forcefully. So let's all get started now. So we will close our eyes. We will keep loose fists in front of our shoulders, a beautiful gentle smile on your face. If you are sitting in Vajrasana, then the hips are resting on the heels. Let's all first take a normal long deep breath in. And you may breathe out completely. Let's get ready for the first round of Bhastrika. In 3, 2, 1. And you may relax your palms on your thighs, palms facing towards the ceiling or the sky. Let's keep breathing normally now. Just become aware of your prana flowing in and out through your nostrils. Prana is your life force. Let's get ready for the second round. Loose fist in front of the shoulders, elbows tucked in. Second set. In 3, 2, 1. And you may once again relax your palms on your thighs. And taking the support of your palms and keeping your eyes closed, you may gently come back to sit in the Sukhasana. Palms facing towards the ceiling. Let's take a normal long deep breath in. And you may breathe out effortlessly. And slowly let's take awareness back to our body and the surroundings. And very slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. So this is Bhastrika Pranayama. So remember that you can do it for 20, 20, 20. So 20 repetitions into 3 sets, and it is ideally done before your meditation and your yogic practice. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's session. And if you have any questions, you can definitely drop your comments in the comment section below. And we are going to see you all in the next tutorial, everyone. And please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we will see you very, very soon in the next tutorial. Namaste, everyone.